There is victory for us, oh yes, oh yes, in the struggles of victory, see there is victory. Back to power.
And when our Honorable Kadi Davis, and we all know say NEC announced the final result today, when on Monday the 14th December 2020. And now are there with Kadi Davis. We all know say na 3 term now they don't conduct election and they win all. But people don't go on for no waiting are you mood for today.
Good morning. Yes, good morning again, Evangelist Samson. Of course, I feel highly honored and pleased for letting people that elect me back for another 3rd time. Of course, we all know the difficulties we don't go through as an institution called the APC. We don't vote to 1 term, 2 term. Due to bad governance, they say for going back another 3rd time. Me people are not still relent because they believe in me and they believe in the APC. They don't vote out back. Their voices don't be heard again for another 3rd time. So I owe unto them, I owe unto the party, and I owe unto Sierra Leone. So I really feel honored because it's not easy. With all the intimidation, the harassment, it's really tough. But we tell God thank you as a party, we don't come out clean and we don't come out victoriously in the political struggle. So I feel honored on behalf of Constituency 110. We appreciate the entire membership of APC, and more so to we country called Sierra Leone. We get one kind small country. It's not a do or die game. Yeah, and me as somebody will believe in inclusiveness. Now that me people their voices don't be heard, I believe say me going back to Parliament, I'm not the only go there for me alone or for just the APC people there. Now for the entire constituency 110. And also let me echo this message. During the campaign, they don't tag me as men begin. Meaning, I don't get mama, I don't get papa. But me believe say, now this regime. But people out there and within Sierra Leone, we believe in Kadi Davis, we believe in the APC for uphold the party in name. And no say, I'm not an orphan. As long as I'm at the service of my people, APCians will be there to give me their fullest support. So I count on Una, we barely get 2 years.
Yeah.
3 years already gone. People of Constituency 110 don't be deprived for far too long. So I'm asking for supporters to help us move ahead as a constituency, as a one united constituency.
Well, Honorable Kadi Davis, I can recall you the time for campaign. You get one word we always can talk. We say power na God he give. And one of the campaign words where me pick up any like areas like Ricketts, the Banana Island, the Hamilton, Toke, all that side, and they already tell the people they say power na God he give. And when we watch, you did not say it's not reality. This particular power na God na give, because the government, the SLPP party spend more than 7 to 8 billion just for let them win that particular election day. We also find out saying they pay people then for let them vote for them. When you go vote, you snap, then you come show them they didn't give it for you. Because according to new press release, we see that they use more than 8 to 9 ministers then just that constituency day, just in a way for regular election. But you get it believe it say power na God he give. People go and know why you like this word.
Thank you very much, my dearest brother. God has the final say, as I say. Me, a politician, me faith not in God today. I don't believe nothing past God. Look at the situation we face with. The people on the other side, they get power, they get money. Me believe say if you get God behind your back, nothing, the sky will be your limit. Yeah. And I know manifesting self so. Yeah, we all see what happen. We are the all stakeholders, statesmen and women. We are in constituency 110. Enough people, let's say, a single constituency election. It was like a national election. We see all the people there on the other side. Ministers, number one, first lady, you name them. They were all on that ground.
Yeah.
So me look and say, they get the power, they get the money. Me get God and the support.
Exactly.
Of the people.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you only get the support of the people then when you put yourself down. You laze with them, you rub skin with them. You know what they go through. We functions in parliament, now for go advocate, make laws, and make sure say you monitor then laws then they for the implemented.
Yeah.
How you able for advocate if you not put yourself down to the people, they let you know what they felt needs them. So I believe say now God give me this power and consistently, no way no day, where we as APCians from the back out of this series. They call it 10-10, we will go 10-10. But I believe say with God, this could be the final election in our constituency 116.
Yeah, that's not the voice of Honorable Kadi Davis of constituency
so
110. As we all know, say Negron declares a winner, and he get his belief in power and God he give. It no matter 10 times, God ready for gear. And on behalf of the APC, all the media groups who back the leg for tell her thank you. Because now Oman, in all relents, in all FBN, it's not before, even though they face a lot of intimidation, threats, arrest, all that stuff then they, but it's still snap with the APC. Once more again, we tell thank you to everybody, and me the journal for tell thank you to everybody who support. You know, we say the call on all names one by one, but like he say thank you. If you did at the diaspora now, you as member of parliament, executive member, ordinary grassroots supporter, anybody so far, Kadi Davis tell you now thank you.
God bless you now.
Yeah.